If you're looking for a dynamic, informative and engaging learning solution for your employees, then look no further than our Whiteboard animation modules. These micro videos can be used for pre-work, post-work, or just as an ad hoc learning opportunity. In fact, now that we think of it, they make a great addition to any inclusion journey, even if we do say so ourselves. So what should you expect from our inclusion awareness resources? Module 1 is all about inclusion and you. This element will help your staff to understand the value of true diversity, both from a personal and a business perspective. In just over 6 minutes, your staff will be able to recognize the personal effects of minority and dominant groups and what it feels like to be excluded. They'll get a glimpse into the shocking truth that human beings are not naturally inclusive, and as a result, they'll discover what it takes to address this, and tips to be more inclusive to everyone around them. We believe that's a pretty great start for laying those inclusion foundations, but we don't stop there. Module 2 dives deeper with our Exploring Unconscious Bias unit. Here we introduce your staff to 3 specific examples of unconscious bias, the kinds of behaviour that they give rise to in the workplace. This module will help individuals to recognise their own biases, the biases of others, and how these preconceived notions are affecting the working relationships and performance within the business. But don't worry, we don't just leave learners there. The video then showcases positive actions and approaches to manage the effects of bias, introduces the terminology of bias to promote constructive discussion, and encourages employees to implement personal actions to raise bias awareness and take ownership for building greater inclusion at work. Wow, all that knowledge in just a few minutes. That's quite incredible. But both modules can be purchased today and delivered straight to your LMS the very same week. Alternatively, if you're looking for a more personalised approach, all PDT animations can be tailored to meet the needs of your business by modifying characters, changing colour schemes, and even translating content for your global audience. So whether you fancy our proven off-the-shelf modules or require a totally bespoke solution, contact us today to discuss your requirements, no matter how small or complex.